Ever wondered how the money actually gets from your customer's wallet to your bank account when you're using Lightspeed? It's a question that's probably crossed your mind, especially if you're new to the platform or thinking about making the switch. You're focused on running your business, serving your customers, and making sure everything is running smoothly. The payment processing part, while crucial, can sometimes feel a little mysterious. That's what we're diving into today. We're going to demystify the entire process of getting paid with Lightspeed. We'll break down the different payment options, explain how transactions are processed, discuss fees, because let's be honest, those are important, and give you a clear understanding of how and when you can expect those funds to land in your account. Think about it, you've just made a sale. Your customer is happy, you're happy. But what happens next? Where does that money go? It doesn't magically teleport into your bank account, right? There's a whole system in place, and understanding that system is key to managing your business effectively. Lightspeed offers a range of payment options to cater to different business needs and customer preferences. This flexibility is one of its strengths, but it also means there are a few different ways you can get paid. Let's start with the most common, integrated payments. Lightspeed integrates directly with its own payment processing system, often referred to as Lightspeed payments. This integration streamlines the entire checkout process. When a customer pays, whether it's with a credit card, debit card, or contactless payment method, the transaction is processed seamlessly within the Lightspeed system. This means less hassle for you, less room for errors, and a smoother experience for your customers. With Lightspeed payments, the funds are typically deposited directly into your designated bank account. The timing of these deposits can vary depending on your region and your specific agreement with Lightspeed. Generally, you can expect settlements within 1 to 2 business days. This means that the money from a sale made on Monday will likely be in your account by Wednesday. However, it's always a good idea to check with Lightspeed directly to confirm the settlement schedule for your business. Now, what about those fees we mentioned earlier? Every payment processor charges fees, and Lightspeed is no exception. These fees typically include a percentage of the transaction amount, as well as potentially a small flat fee per transaction. The exact rates can vary based on several factors, such as the type of card used, the volume of your transactions, and your specific pricing plan with Lightspeed. It's crucial to understand these fees upfront so you can accurately calculate your profit margins. Don't hesitate to contact Lightspeed's sales or support team to discuss your specific needs and get a clear understanding of the fee structure that applies to your business. Beyond Lightspeed payments, you might also choose to integrate with other payment processors. This can be useful if you already have an existing relationship with a specific provider or if you require certain features that aren't available through Lightspeed payments. Popular options often include PayPal, Square, and other similar services. If you opt for an external payment processor, the process is slightly different. While the transaction will still be recorded in your Lightspeed system, the actual payment processing and settlement will be handled by the third-party provider. This means the funds will be deposited into your account according to that provider's schedule and terms. You'll also be subject to their fee structure. It's essential to carefully compare the fees and settlement times of different payment processors before making a decision. Another important aspect of getting paid with Lightspeed is reconciliation. This is the process of matching your sales records in Lightspeed with the actual deposits in your bank account. Regular reconciliation is crucial for accurate accounting and for identifying any discrepancies. Lightspeed provides detailed reports that make this process much easier. You can access transaction data, settlement reports, and other financial information directly within the Lightspeed platform. This allows you to track your sales, monitor your cash flow, and ensure that you're getting paid correctly. Now, let's talk about tips for optimizing your payment processing with Lightspeed. First, make sure you understand the different payment options available and choose the one that best suits your business. Consider factors like transaction volume, average transaction size, and the types of cards your customers typically use. Second, familiarize yourself with Lightspeed's reporting tools. These reports can provide valuable insights into your sales data and help you identify trends. Third, keep your software up to date. Lightspeed regularly releases updates that can improve performance and add new features. Finally, Don't hesitate to reach out to Lightspeed's support team if you have any questions or encounter any issues. They're there to help you make the most of the platform. We've covered a lot of ground today. We've explored the different payment options available with Lightspeed, discussed how transactions are processed, explained the importance of understanding fees, and touched on the crucial aspect of reconciliation. We've also offered some tips for optimizing your payment processing. By understanding these key elements, you can ensure that you're getting paid efficiently and effectively, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.